Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. We are going to be diving into the world of Web3, uncovering its groundbreaking developments. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Let's start with our ever-growing Discord community, now at 3,691 members. Haven't joined yet? Now's your chance to become a part of our vibrant group. On the social media front, our post of the week was about our new IPFS 101 video, What is an IPFS Spinning Service? After this, why not give it a watch? It's a great way to expand your understanding of IPFS. This week in Powered by Pinata, let's explore Cow Protocol. This innovative platform transforms how trades are auctioned, maximizing liquidity through batch auctions and coincidence of wants, or COWs. With solvers at its core, Cow Protocol batches trades, auctioning them across various liquidity sources. It's not just about trade efficiency, it's about creating fairer, more efficient markets and paving the way for batch auction settlement across EVM-compatible blockchains. Guys, I am so excited to share this with you. We have finally launched Workspaces. This is the collaboration tool you've all been waiting for. Workspaces allows your team to come together on Pinata, enhancing your IPFS workflow like never before. With easy teammate addition and workspace switching, your projects just got a whole lot smoother. If you've already tried it out, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. For this week's tips and tricks, we will be diving into writing the Pinata CLI in Go. Developers, you've probably spent a good chunk of time in the terminal, right? Command line interfaces can be lifesavers, acting like shortcuts for various tasks. While our Node.js CLI has served well, we've decided to up the game by rewriting it in Golang, a language celebrated for its speed and efficiency, and notably, the language used by most IPFS nodes. In our latest blog post, we dive into the why and how of this rewrite, offering insights for anyone looking to develop Go-based tools. And that's it for this week's Weekly Whimsy. If you found anything in this video as intriguing as I did, hit those like and subscribe buttons down below and join our community. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!